Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and if you are new here, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more financial insight. And let me tell you, in today's video, we are diving into one of the best kept secrets into the banking world. Apple Federal Credit Union. This credit union is a financial powerhouse. It's open to everyone nationwide, and it's packed with benefits for both personal and business banking. So let's get into it. Why is Apple Federal Credit Union not talked about more? It's clear that this credit union is a major player in helping people achieve better financial health. Unlike some other institutions, Apple Federal Credit Union puts its member first, offering high limit credit card, competitive loans, and more, all designed to improve your financial standing. Apple Federal Credit Union stands out because it's incredibly inclusive. You don't need to be in Virginia or a teacher to join. They debunk common myths and open doors for virtually anyone in the United States. Whether you are looking to manage personal finance or run a business, this is a great choice for you. Joining is straightforward. Whether you are looking through a geographic location, employment, family, or even membership in associations like the W&OD Trail of Northern Virginia, joining is accessible. They prioritize building a strong, lasting relationship with each member, offering a suite of products from high limits credit cards to auto loans and more. One common question is, can you use American Consumer Council membership to get into Apple Federal Credit Union? Unfortunately, the answer is no. You cannot use the membership with the American Consumer Council (ACC) to join Apple Federal Credit Union, because this credit union primarily serves those connected to the education community, including student, faculty, staff, and parents of students in eligible schools, as well as people who live, worship, or attend school in eligible counties and cities around Northern Virginia. They also offer membership to immediate family members or household occupants of existing members. If you are interested in joining Apple Federal Credit Union and don't meet the direct educational or geographic criteria, you might consider looking into any association or additional memberships they offer that could provide eligibility. Or also, you can explore whether any family or household connection could qualify you. Always check the most current eligibility requirements directly on their website or by contacting them directly, as credit union occasionally update their membership criteria, so they might have a way to go around the requirements or give you a specific idea that you might be missing, or on a way to get in or to join the credit union. One of the standout features of Apple Federal Credit Union is the ability to get pre-qualified for loans and credit cards without a hard credit check, which is good. They use soft pulls, so checking potential for approval won't hurt your credit at all. And for those looking to build or rebuild credit, their offerings are especially appealing. So this is great too, because you have option there too. They provide a range of credit card with limit up to 50,000 and competitive APRs are significantly lower than many big banks. They also offer unique products like the Bridge to Retirements loan and robust personal loans extending up to 84 months. If you are finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below with your experience or question about this credit union. Also, check out my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below, basically for exclusive content and tips in the financial world. Coming back to the subject, let's dive deeper into what Apple Federal Credit Union has to offer. From everyday banking to significant financial moves, they have you covered. Their products lineup includes high limit credit cards, perfect for those who need a robust credit line with limits up to $50,000. This card comes with a competitive interest rate and benefit tailored to different needs, including rewards program for everyday purchases. Another product is personal loans and line of credit. Whether you are consolidating debts or financing a big project, their personal loans are flexible with terms up to 84 months and amounts up to $70,000. They also offer line of credit for ongoing access to funds. Another product is auto loan. If you are planning to buy a new or used car, they provide auto loan with competitive rate too, with financing eligible up to $150,000. This is a good amount. Mortgages and home equity products, they also offer these for those looking to buy a house or home or use their home equity. Apple Federal Credit Union offers a range of options, including fixed rate mortgages and home equity line of credit. Another product they have is for businesses, banking solutions. For business owners, they offer terms loan, lines of credit, and equipment financing, supporting growth and operational needs. The reality is joining Apple Federal Credit Union is easier than you might think. They are inclusive, meaning you don't have to belong to a specific workplace or community. Here is how you can qualify. Geographic location. If you live, work, worship, or attend a school in one of their eligible regions, you can join. Employments, employees of selected partner organization and businesses can join. Family membership, basically, if you're a family member of existing Apple Federal Credit Union member, you are also eligible. Association membership, you join in certain association like the Apple Federal Credit Union can grant you eligibility too. Regardless of your path to membership, joining means becoming part of a community that values financial growth and stability. Concern about your credit when applying? Well, Apple Federal Credit Union typically pulls your credit information from TransUnion. This means when you apply for credit, they will check your credit history through TransUnion to determine your eligibility. For those wondering about the minimum credit score, Apple Federal Credit Union is relatively flexible, often considering applicants with a score starting from 580, making it accessible for a broader audience. So this is great because anyone with a poor credit or trying to rebuild their credit or even repairing their credit can join. With flexible membership requirements and a comprehensive range of financial products, Apple Federal Credit Union is committed to supporting your financial journey, no matter where you are starting from. By pulling from TransUnion, they ensure a smooth, transparent credit evaluation process, helping you make informed decisions about your financial future. This credit union is not about just credit. They offer comprehensive banking services, including checking and savings accounts, designed to maximize your financial growth. Their approach to business banking is equally impressive, providing merchant services, commercial lending, and more, all tailored to help businesses thrive. While Apple Federal Credit Union offer a host of benefits, like any financial institution, it has upsides and downsides. Let's break down the pros and cons to give you a balanced view. So on the pro side, they have high credit limits. Of the biggest advantages is their offering of high limits credit cards, which can go up to $50,000. This is particularly beneficial for those who need substantial credit for large purchases or want to consolidate other high interest debts. Another pro is the diverse financial products, meaning from personal loans to auto loans to business banking solution, Apple Federal provides a variety of financial products that cater to different needs, making it a one-stop shop for many consumers and businesses. Another pro is the soft credit pools for pre-qualification. They offer the ability to pre-qualify for loans and credit cards with a soft pull on your credit, so that won't hurt your credit at all by checking the offers that are available for you. Another pro is inclusive membership options. Basically, membership is accessible not just through the geographic or employment criteria, but also through family relationship and associations, making it easier and for a wider audience to join. And one last pro is competitive interest rate. Their interest rates are competitive, especially in comparison to major banks, which can make significant difference in a loan affordability and savings on interest over time. Now let's see this downside. On the con side, geographic limitation for some services. While they while they are broadly inclusive, some services and rate might still be better tailored for to those within certain region or associated within a specific groups. Another cons is technology and user interface. As with many credit unions, their technology and mobile banking interfaces might not be as advanced as those offered by larger banks, which could affect user experience, especially for younger tech-savvy members that like these techie things. Another cons is the check system check. They use check system to screen new members, which might restrict individuals with problematic banking history from joining. Another cons is limited physical branches locations, meaning for those who prefer in-person banking, the number of branches is limited compared to national banks, which could be a drawback for some users that prefer the personal to person or face-to-face contact. Another cons is credit score impact for actual applications. So while pre-qualification involves a soft pull, if you decide to go through the process and apply, the actual application that follow will necessitate a hard pull on your credit report, which will temporarily impact your credit score. Understanding these pros and cons will help you make an informed decision about whether Apple Federal Credit Union is the right choice for you or your financial needs. Like any other credit union, the focus is beneficiating members rather than maximizing profits, which often translates into better rates and more personalized services, which is good. That's why I'm inclining and I'm pro credit unions. However, consider how considering how their offerings align with the specific requirements and preference, especially in terms of technological convenience and access to physical branches. In summary, Apple Federal Credit Union offers a holistic banking solution. It's not just a place to store your money, it's a place to grow it. It's a place to manage it and even leverage it for a larger financial goal. Whether you are looking for a personal banking that supports your financial journey or a robust business services, Apple Federal Credit Union might just be the gem you have been searching for. So keep this in mind and consider this institution because it's really a game changer. Thank you for watching. Remember, managing your finance is crucial, and choosing the right institution is the first step toward your financial empowerment. Subscribe for more insight and check out the other videos for tips on personal and business finances. Also, remember to check out my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below. Until next time, take control of your financial destiny. See you in the next one. Bye.